Hello, today we will guide you through how to add phone number on Splitwise. To get started, open the Splitwise app on your device. Once the app loads, make sure you are on the main screen so you can access your account settings easily. This process only takes a moment, and adding your phone number can help keep your profile more complete and up to date. Next, look to the lower right corner of the screen and tap on Account. This will take you to your personal account area where you can manage your profile details and other settings. If you are new to Splitwise, this section is where most of your personal information and preferences can be updated. When you are on the account screen, tap Edit in the top right corner. This opens your profile for changes and allows you to update fields such as contact information. Be sure to tap carefully so you enter editing mode before trying to change anything. After that, find the phone number section and tap Edit underneath it. This is the area specifically meant for adding or updating your phone number. If you do not see it right away, take a second to scan the profile details on the page until you locate the correct field. Once you are in the phone number section, select your country. This is important because the country selection automatically applies the correct country code to your number. Choosing the right country helps ensure your phone number is formatted properly and saved correctly in the app. After selecting your country, enter your phone number in the space provided. Take a moment to double-check the number before saving, since even one incorrect digit could cause problems later. When everything looks correct, tap Save to confirm the update. At that point, your phone number should be added to your Splitwise account. If the app does not update immediately, give it a second to refresh, or return to your profile page to confirm the change was saved successfully. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly add your phone number on Splitwise and keep your account information current. If you are making other profile updates at the same time, it can be helpful to review everything before leaving the edit screen so you only have to do it once. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helps you complete the process smoothly.